In this video, I'll be making a Hello World Flask app. For that, I have already created a virtual folder in my desktop and I'll open it up in my Windows terminal. I'll install Flask in a virtual environment. For that, I'll be using pip in env since it will automatically create a virtual environment and install Flask in it. By the way, in this video, I'll be making two Flask Hello World app. One is the more conventional way, the way which you see all around the internet, and which is actually the recommended way of making a Flask app. The other one there is just here to make things clear, and you will get that when you see it. Let's just wait for this one to complete. Okay, it's complete. So I'll create a app.py file. In that, I'll say from Flask, the thing we just installed, import Flask class, and I'll create an instance of this Flask class which requires an argument, which is the name of the file. And now I'll create a route of a get route for home page. A route basically means the path of a website, the thing which you type after the domain name, and this function will handle this route. And for now, this function will just return an h1 of hello, hello world. I'll close this h1, and this is it. This is what it requires to make a Flask app. So I'll show you now. To run this Flask app, I'll go inside my virtual environment shell, and from there I'll type flask run. Okay, there's an error somewhere. I haven't closed this string, of course, vim app.py, and yeah, just here, this thing. Now it will run, and if you come not here, here, now here you can see if you type local host port 5000, you can see the hello world. This is it. This is how you make a Flask app, hello world Flask app. But let me show you the second which I was talking about. So for that, I'll kill this one, clear this out, and create a new file. Name it 2.py. I'll type the same thing from Flask, the thing we just installed. Import Flask class, and this will be another my app equals Flask. As I said, it requires an argument of file name, so I'll just type this time this, and I'll create a route of my app dot get of home, the home folder, home not folder, return h1 saying hello world, and this is underscore name and underscore, and yeah, I'll this file is wrong key. Okay. Now I'll clear this, save it, and I'll just rename that app.py to 1.py. And now if I run Flask run, you'll see an error. It says Flask run cannot find this app.py or whiskey.py file. If you create a whiskey.py or app.py, the Flask run command will automatically run your application. If not, then you have to set this Flask app environment to the name of your file, which is in our case is 2.py. Now if I type Flask run, this will run, and to show you, This is our return statement. You see type there. Well, let's just show the difference in both files. For that, I'll just open Vim here and open both files side by side. See, so this is how you create an Flask app. The thing underscore name message set is just a file name. Right here, I have just typed the file name, but should always use underscore name. This is the recommended way, and instead of my app, try to use always app. Okay,